Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what happens to the stock market when a CPI report and a Federal Reserve decision land on the same day? Well, let's dive into this rare double whammy of economic events and see how they can shake up Wall Street. First things first, the CPI, or Consumer Price Index, is a critical economic indicator. It measures the average change over time in the prices paid by urban consumers for a market basket of consumer goods and services. Why does this matter to you? Because it's a key way to gauge inflation, and inflation directly affects your buying power. Now let's talk about the Fed, short for the Federal Reserve. When the Fed makes a policy announcement, it's laying out its plans for monetary policy, which includes things like interest rates. These decisions can have massive ripple effects across the economy and, yes, the stock market. Historically, the stock market is quite sensitive to these announcements. Why? Investors are always trying to predict the future, and these events provide crucial clues. When both the CPI report and the Fed's decisions drop on the same day, it can lead to increased market volatility. This is because investors are processing a lot of significant information at once, which impacts their confidence and consequently their investment decisions. For instance, just recently, anticipation of these dual events had investors on edge. Bitcoin even stumbled the day before, showing just how far-reaching the effects can be. Everyone's watching, from individual investors to big financial institutions, trying to anticipate how these reports will sway the market. So, what does this mean for your portfolio? Well, if you're an investor, days like these call for a close watch. Market reactions can be unpredictable, and staying informed can help you make smarter decisions. Whether you're adjusting your investments or just holding steady, understanding the interaction between these economic events can give you an edge. And remember, while it's important to stay updated on these events, it's also crucial not to make hasty decisions based on one day's news. The stock market can be a roller coaster, and sometimes the best action is no action. So the next time you hear that a CPI report and a Fed decision are happening on the same day, you'll know exactly why Wall Street is all ears. And maybe you should be too. Thanks for tuning in, and keep an eye on those markets.